So hi guys, it's me again, and we're about to start this tutorial with just some tape on our outer eye, like to create like a guide for the shadows. So it's like a cat eye shape. And as usual, I'm just gonna be priming my eyelids with some Maybelline Superstay foundation. But you know the drill, use whatever concealer foundation you have at home. And then I'm just gonna be getting the same old powder I used in my previous video, the clear or clean in one powder by Maybelline. I'm just setting my eyelids because that's part of the drill. And I'm just getting my same old 39A Morphe palette. And I'm just gonna be mixing that two warm shades to create my transition shade, which is the shade that we'll be first putting on, so it has to be really blown out and intense. Just gonna be getting a brown shade, but I think I'm combining it with another brown shade, which is totally unnecessary. So just get whatever brown shade you have that is dark enough to create some depth in the look, but not too intense yet, because we don't want that yet. So I'm just building that up, and then I'm going to be blending it out with the same transition shade that I first laid out. And then I'm just gonna be intensifying the brown shade again. And then for the lid color, for the lid shade, I'm going to be applying that. It's like a brown metallic shade, but with a little bit of a green reflex in it, if it makes sense. It's like an olive tone brown metallic shade. So I'm just gonna be building that up in the lid. So I'm just reapplying the brown shade into the green brown metallic lid shade so that it meshes together, and then I'm just going to be blending those two together with the transition shade. And then I'm just going to be applying these two really dark brown shades into the outer corner of my lid, and I'm making it into like a cat eye sort of look, but not like all throughout the lid, like almost like halfway. And then I'm just going to be curling my lashes and then applying some mascara. Then I'm just applying some lashes, which are already wonky because I've used them a ton of times, but then I'm broke, so that's what I'm using. And I got out of the frame as usual, so yeah, I just skipped that part. But I just applied some falsies, and then I'm cleaning my fallout. The fallout, I'm just cleaning that edge a little bit before applying my moisturizer or my primer to my face before the foundation bit. And then I'm just going to be applying the same foundation I primed my eyelids with, and this foundation is really good because it's not that dewy, but it's not that dry on the skin also, so I really like that combo. And I'm sorry if you're gonna be seeing me singing or jamming to some music, because that's my usual routine. Like, I just blast music on and do my makeup, and that really gets me into the creative process that is of makeup. So yeah, just pardon me. And then I'm just going to be getting my concealer from Maybelline again. It's the Dream Lumi one. And I really like this concealer because it's not that it's not really such a heavy concealer, but then I got into some trouble because it seems to me that I didn't moisturize my under eyes enough, because when I was blending it out, it was kind of patchy and dry, and I know that wasn't the concealer's fault because I've used this concealer so many times that never occurred until now. So it's probably my fault, but I'm just setting my eyelids. My eyelids? Oh my god, I'm all over the place. Sorry. I'm just setting my face, my whole face, with some powder from Maybelline again. And I'm not sponsored, really, but I wish I was sponsored. But yeah, and then I'm just bronzing my face with the same Morphe palette, the 39A. I'm just combining the two warm shades as my contour slash bronzer. And then I'm just getting some Rimmel Maxi Blush, and in the shade, I forgot what shade, but I think I've mentioned it in my previous video, but it's the same old blush, and I'm just using that. And then I'm just going to be pulling out my Color Lash Clear Mascara from Collection, and I'm just using that to give my eyebrow that bushy look. And then I'm just using this Vaseline Lip Therapy, and I'm just going to be prepping my lips. I'm just going to be putting on some brown eyeliner. Choose whatever brown eyeliner you have. This is from my mom again. I'm just using that to smoke my lower lash line. And then I'm just proceeding to blending it with the same shades that I've used on my eyes. The brown one and the transition shade. And I'm just going to be putting on some highlight first with the inner corners, and then with my cheekbones and my forehead, the bridge of my nose, the point, just the bridge of my nose, just my whole nose in general, just the high points of my face. And I'm just gonna be applying some more mascara to the bottom eyelashes. And that's it, guys. I'm so sorry if this video is all over the place, but I'm just human. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope you still got the gist of it, even though I'm literally all over the place. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye!